Oh, you can hear the Yeti up there. We'll be able to see it later. While hoping the ride doesn't break down while I'm in line, just like Rise of the Resistance. Hey, here we go! On the Matterhorn. So I'm getting quite hungry for dinner, and I think I'm going to do the Rancho del Socolo place in Frontierland that's right by Thunder Mountain. I might go back into Fantasyland later tonight to do some of the dark rides, since the lines are usually a lot shorter then than they are now. Storybook Land. Now we're headed back into Frontierland. Thunder Mountain over there. Maybe I'll do it later, but currently there's like a 50-something minute wait, maybe more. So back to Thunder Mountain over there. Here's what's left over from Cascade Peak. I meant Beaver Valley. From the old mine train through Nature's Wonderland. That was where Big Thunder is now, and also beyond. There's the awesome Frontierland entrance over here. I love how immersive this is, even though this was built back in the 50s. Wow, no big line for Rancho del Socolo right now. That's a good sign. I'm surprised they're not doing mobile order right now. I really love Mexican food, and Rancho del Socolo is one of my favorite restaurants here at Disneyland. I got the enchilada platter, the guacamole, and the chips. So in a great turn of events, Rise of the Resistance has reopened. Currently there's a 50-minute standby wait, but I figured I might as well just lightning lane it this time because the last time I tried to get on, it broke down while I was in line. So I thought I would treat myself a little bit, do another lightning lane. I really want to do this ride so badly today. And worst case, if it breaks down, I can get another lightning lane, maybe back on Rise again. Fingers crossed. One really nice thing about having eaten at Rancho del Socolo is that it's not too far from the Galaxy's Edge entrance. Especially the one that's across from Big Thunder Mountain in Frontierland. So I can more easily get to Rise of the Resistance from there. Fingers crossed it doesn't break down while I'm in line again. But that's why I did the lightning lane this time. Wow, Big Thunder looks so beautiful right now at night. I love the red lighting on there. Oh, and you can see the Matterhorn behind it too. Very cool. Walking right back into Galaxy's Edge to finally do Rise of the Resistance. Yay! I wasn't sure if it would reopen at all. But again, fingers crossed it doesn't break down again while I'm in line. My fingers are very crossed. Hi, Mr. Stormtrooper! Here it is, the Black Spires of Batuu. Next to Rise of the Resistance. Yay, just in time to redeem my lightning lane pass for Rise of the Resistance.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
What I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
The escape pod is just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Finally got to ride Rise of the Resistance today. There was one moment in the holding cell where it stopped for a little bit, just for like a minute or two, but besides that, the ride really ran smoothly. No breakdowns, no having to wait in line and the ride breaking down again. So I'm very happy I did this lightning lane. So So ironically, the wait's longer on Big Thunder Mountain right now than it is on Splash Mountain, Haunted Mansion, and Pirates. So what I think I'm actually going to do is, I'm also pretty close to Splash Mountain right now, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do Splash Mountain again, and quite possibly do both Pirates and Haunted Mansion again as well. Amazingly, of all rides, Splash Mountain's only a 5-minute wait right now, so I might as well do it. Not to mention it also has a single rider line. I can literally just walk on. So I'm back in Critter Country and walking over to Splash Mountain right now. There's a beautiful view of the rivers of America at night. Again, for a variety of reasons, I think The Princess and the Frog is a good change, but I'm honestly very sad seeing this iconic structure become a salt mine. And it's going to lose the log at the very top of the mountain. So that's going to be kind of a hard change for us Disney fans, but we'll live with it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! I just got my own car on Splash Mountain! First time this has ever happened. This is such a great way to say goodbye to the ride. Now the crowds really seem to be dwindling down, and I may even be able to get my boarding group called for Runaway Railway after all. And I'm definitely going to want to ride a second time if I can. But in the meantime, I'm probably going to do Pirates and Haunted Mansion again, maybe squeeze in Big Thunder, we'll see. So Pirates of the Caribbean is currently only a 15-minute wait, so I'm going to do that first. Oh, the Mardi Gras is so beautiful at night. Gosh, I love New Orleans Square so much. So my boarding group is 251, and they're already starting to load group 241 for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And this is the virtual group that I signed up for at 1 o'clock. But it's increasingly looking likely that I'll be able to ride again. I'm so excited. Getting to do a new attraction twice in a day, that's fantastic. But for right now, I'm going to do Big Thunder Mountain Railroad because the wait's only 20 minutes on that. False alarm, the standby wait for Big Thunder is now 40 minutes, so I might try to do it again later. But for now, because my boarding group probably will be called soon for Runaway Railway, I'm going to head over to Fantasyland and do a ride or two there. So now the Runaway Railway groups are actually going quite fast, and I think they're at like 249 right now, and I'm 251, so I should be boarding in any minute now. Well, my boarding group number has now been called, so now I'm ready to re-ride Runaway Railway one more time. Lighting on the El Capitan Theater. What's amazing. Wow, this facade is so beautiful at night. Here's a much better view of it. Well, as soon as I was about to get on Runaway Railway, the ride broke down. Second time that's happened to me today after Rise. Thankfully, they're going to give us free lightning lanes and reimbursement for that. So maybe I'll be able to do this with the lightning lane again. Fingers crossed. So Runaway Railway just broke down as soon as we were about to board. However, this time I got to see the queue, and it's amazing. The interactive stuff is just so much fun. And honestly, it might be one of my favorite queues at the park now. But the good news is we're getting free lightning lanes, and once this attraction hopefully opens again, I'll be able to go back on. So we'll see if we'll be able to turn it back on again and get it back working. So now I'm going to go back and do some of the rides in Fantasyland until I can wait for the ride to start working again. Well, I'm so lucky I was able to do Runaway Railway earlier today, and I now really don't regret doing that lightning lane earlier, even if it was like 15 bucks. But actually, in a change of plans, I'm going to try to see if I can use my lightning lane for Space Mountain, because I really want to do that. I love that ride. Here's my plan. If I can't use the lightning lane on Space Mountain for any reason, then I'm just going to try to see if I can reuse it for Runaway Railway again. So right now we're headed back into Tomorrowland. Another attempt to do Space Mountain. Hopefully I'll be able to use my lightning lane for that. Fingers crossed. But in the meantime, here's Jacques the Squid from Finding Dory. Although to my surprise, the standby wait for Space Mountain's now half an hour. That's not bad. Earlier today was posting at like 85, 90 minutes. So if I can't do the lightning lane for any reason, I'll just do the standby line. Why not? So as it turns out, I was able to use my lightning lane on Space Mountain after all. Especially considering I did do Runaway Railway already, but didn't do Space Mountain yet. That was fun, even though I forgot to take off my Mickey ears on the ride. So while we were like on the fast part of Space Mountain, I was holding onto my ears the entire time. I will say that of all rides, today's been a pretty good day for the Haunted Mansion. Low waits and the ride didn't get stuck or break down while I was in line. Currently there's only a 20-minute wait on Haunted Mansion, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over there, but first, I'm gonna see if I can grab a Dole Whip. So I'm headed back into Adventureland. Since Indiana Jones has been closed today, I didn't really go into Adventureland all that much. And it looks like the Tiki Juice Bar may be closed right now. Beautiful, beautiful Adventureland. The line's actually looking really good for Tropical Hideaway right now. Usually it's pretty long, but I guess since it's later at night, it's quite short. So I can more easily get a Dole Whip. That makes me happy. I got my favorite Dole Whip treat, the Pineapple Dole Whip Float, the classic. Welcome, foolish mortals. We're going back onto the Haunted Mansion at night. It's a very special experience going on at night, especially walking through the queue. So this is one of the very rare times I get to do the Haunted Mansion twice in a day at Disneyland. Usually this doesn't happen because the lines are so long. So of all of my favorite rides, I still haven't done Big Thunder Mountain Railroad yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over there because now it's a 20-minute wait. Pretty soon I'm going to board the wildest ride in the wilderness. Well, the park's going to close in just under half an hour, and I'm going to do my last attraction, which I believe will be the Jungle Cruise.
Right this way.
Awesome, thank you. Wow, so empty. That's it. Oh, doesn't even look like 5 minutes.
Alright, and just wait on 3 words from Mike over here. Beautiful. Alright, everybody wave goodbye to Mike. You're never going to see him again. It should jump right over us. Avoided by Himalayan tigers. This is the campsite of one of our VIPs, Dr. Cooley and Nosegay. I don't see him anywhere. And look what they did to the Chief. Don't worry about that one, he's just sleeping. I know, he looks dead tired. Should let him rest in pieces. Oh no. Felix, what are you doing? You were supposed to stay in the boat. I don't know why they would let him take the VIPs out. It's his first day.
Well, as it turns out, we still have a couple minutes before the park closes, so I'm going to see if I can get on the Tiki Room real fast, since it's right over here. Well, looks like I can. Just like It's a Small World, this is another attraction I haven't done since I was a kid. check in. Here, I've got the glowing castle with me in the background. I was hoping I could zoom in so you could get a closer view, but I can't. But anyway, thank you all for watching my trip to Disneyland tonight. And whenever you have a chance, please like this video and subscribe to our channel at Max Kingdom on YouTube. Bye.